Hello dear students, this is your teacher Ritu Mittal and we are going to study maths in this class. In this class we are revising our unit number 1 large numbers. We have already done this unit in the month of April. We are going to have a quick revision this time. So let's start. You all know that we are having the period of ones, period of thousand and a period of lakh. Period of ones is having 3 member in it, 100, tens, ones. Period of thousand is having 2 member in it, 10,000 and 1000. Same, the period of lakh is also having two members, 10 lakh and lakh. If you are having a 6-digit number, it means it is a lakh number. Just for an example, 6,58,493. If you are having any number of 7 digit, it means it is a 10 lakh number. 34,57,204. In this way, you can easily read your number. Now, second topic, how to put the comma if we have any number. So, we will put comma to separate the periods. It means we will put after the 3 digit from the right hand side because of it is the period of ones. Then we will put after 2 digit again a comma because that was the period of thousand. So in this way we will start from the right hand side and put the comma in this way 3, 2, 2 means we have to leave first the 3 digit, then we have to leave 2 digit and then place the comma. In this session what we have done, I have taken some questions from your exercise so that in this way we can do the classwork as well as you can do the homework also. Here I have taken some questions and some I have leave. With that questions which I have leave is your homework. So do that in your homework notebook. So the question number 1. Here we are having the numbers and you have to write in words. So this is the A part, 37,341. You can easily read this number. This is the 5-digit number and that is of 1000 number. B part, again it is a 5-digit number. It means it is of 1000 number. So 50,967. This is the E part where we are having 6-digit number. If 6 digit is number, it means it is a lakh number. So 4,73,509. Then F part, which is also having the 6-digit number, that is 7,50,001. Question number 2. In question number 2, now we are having the numbers in words and we have to write in digits. So this is 50,977. So we will write 50 in the period of 5,977 in the period of ones. 25,236. So 25 in the period of 1000, 236 in the period of ones. Then we have 4,20,334. So this is the lakh period. So 4 will go in the lakh period, 20 in the 1000 period and 334 in the ones period. 7,44,529. So 7 in the period of lakh, 44 in the period of 1000, 529 in the period of ones. Now we have discussed face value. What is face value? The face value of a digit is the digit itself. It means the face value of 8 remains 8. It doesn't matter where it is. It means if it is on lakh place, then its value is 8. It is on 1000 place, then its value will be 8. Place value. The place value of a digit is due to its place. It means its value will vary from place to place. Just an example, I have taken 8,40,073 here. So the face value of 8 remains 8, but the place value of 8 is 8 lakh because it is on lakh place. Then the face value of 4 is 4 while the place value is 40,000 because it is on 10th place. The face value of 0 is 0 and the place value is 0. Then we have the face value of 7 is 7 and the place value is 70 because it is on tens place. The face value of 3 is 3 and the face value is also 3 because 3 ones are 3. Then we have expanded form, writing a number as sum of its place value. Take just an example. Here I have taken 23,568. So the place value of 2 is 20,000, place value of 3 is 3,000, place value of 5 is 500, place value of 6 is 60, place value of 8 is 8. If we have written this in the form of sum, it is known as expanded form. One more example, 5,07,089. 5 lakh plus 0 because there is no number of 10,000. Then we have 7,000 plus 0 because there is no number 0 on the hundreds place. Then 80 plus 9 because 8 is on tens place and 9 is on ones place. Standard form. In a standard form, we will write only numbers on the place of the digit. If 70,000, here I have taken the example 70,000. So what I will do, I will write only 7 on the place of 10,000. 4,000. So I will write only 4 on the place of 1,000. 200, 2 on the place of 100. 50, 5 on the place of tens and 6 on the place of 6. Here we will not write any 0 with the digits. Comparing of numbers, how we can compare the numbers. So in the class 3 you have already studied about it. For the first is 6,785, 7,628. Both the numbers are of 4 digits. So I will compare their first number. Here I have 6,000 and here I have 7,000. So obviously the 7,000 number is greater. In the second example, I have 7 and 7 on the first place. So my second place will decide this 7 is the same. So this second place will decide which number is greater. So this 8, because of this 8, this number is greater. If starting 2 digits are same, then who will decide? Then the third place will decide. Because of 2, this number becomes greater. If starting 3 digits are same, so the fourth one will decide and this number is greater. What happen if the number of digits are not same? Here I am having a number of 5 digit and here I am having a number of 4 digit. So you easily know that this is 29,490 and this is the number of 9,000 only. So number which is having more digit in it is a greater number. Then how to make the smallest and the greatest number when we are having some numbers. Smallest number. To make the smallest number, arrange the given digits in the ascending order. What is ascending order? Means small to big. Here I am having 6, 7, 2, 8, 4. These are the digits and I have to make a number by using these digits. So I want to make a smallest number. So my first number should be small. So I have arranged these number in the form of their ascending order 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Remember, I have not put comma after every digit. This is the wrong. Why? Because if you put comma after every digit, it means it remains digits only. It will not become a number if you put comma. So do not put comma after each number. Greatest number. Now to make the greatest number, arrange the given digits in descending order. So let's make 3, 4, 7, 8, 2, 1. I am having these 6 digits and I have to make the greatest number. So what I will do, I will arrange in descending. Descending means big to small. So 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. I have arranged in this way. And this is my greatest number, 8,74,321. This is, in this way we will write this number. Successor. What is successor? Add 1 to the given number, it will give you the successor. Just an example, 83,009. So I will add 1 here to find its successor. 83,010 is my answer. Predecessor. What is predecessor? Subtract 1 from the given number. If you have to find the predecessor of any number, you have to subtract 1 from it. Just for an example, 20,791 I am having and I have to find its predecessor. So I will subtract 1 from it and my answer is 20,790. In this way, here I have done our, in this way we have done our